It's a beautiful start to the day. I think we'll have a few clouds sticking around, but much more comfortable. We'll be right around 60 degrees or so. Headed for the 70s tomorrow with just a few clouds expected in the afternoon. We are still dealing with rain and thunderstorms. We have seen the lightning diminish greatly, though, over the last hour. It was absolutely stunning to watch this lightning out over the lake and then farther to the southwest throughout the evening. At one point, we had over 500 lightning strikes in northern Ohio in 15 minutes. That's a lot. It was almost continuous. But now those storms continue to move out to the east. We still have a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ashtabula County, but the core of that storm is out of Ashtabula County, so that's all into Pennsylvania. And we also have a flash flood warning that continues in Lorain County until 12:15, but we are not anticipating more rain in that area. Still areas with some rumbles of thunder, heavy downpours specifically into central and southern sections of Trumbull County, and then also some heavier downpours in central Ashtabula County. All of that continues to move out, and what is moving in is much drier air. You can see the back edge of even the clouds starting to move into the Buckeye State. We may still have an isolated shower or two overnight, but by and large, the drier air is coming in. So all this blue, this is the super humid air that we had through the day today, that muggy air. But farther west, it is much drier, and that is going to come in here. So we track our dew points. The dew points is one of the measures of humidity in the atmosphere. We call it an absolute measure because we can basically say when the dew points are in the 60s, it is muggy. When it's in the 50s, it's humid. And then we get into the 40s, and that's when it's comfortable. But you can see the dew point temperatures coming down. That is that drying air that is coming in. So we will have dew points tomorrow afternoon in the 40s. That is stupendous. National Designer hour-by-hour forecast takes the thunderstorms we just looked at out to the east into Pennsylvania by midnight 1 a.m. and you can see that drier air beginning to move in by the start of the day tomorrow. A lot of the clouds are going to start to clear out. We'll have light breezes and temperatures kind of around 60 degrees or so at 6 a.m. Once the sun comes up, it's going to do its thing. It doesn't take a lot this time of the year with that high sun angle. And at 9 a.m. we'll be up around the 70-degree mark. We'll see some sunshine. We'll have a few clouds in the afternoon tomorrow, but look at these temperatures right back into the upper 70s farther south. So that's the key. Our southern area is likely to be in those upper 70s. We'll have the light winds, which will promote a bit of a lake breeze along the lake shore. So cooler temperatures in the upper 60s for the afternoon in Cleveland. Then in the evening, we may see a few showers skirting our southern counties. And this is basically still associated with this whole same system that is plaguing areas farther to the south of us tonight. But you can see that just a few isolated shower chances will be possible tomorrow evening. And then once we get into Friday, we're expecting things to improve for us once again. As far as the weekend goes, well, it's a holiday weekend. A lot of folks are making plans, and it's this system that's way out here in the northern Rockies. This is the one that's going to be the spoiler for us because we're expecting a big chunk of that to break off and move east. So kind of putting your big picture forecast into motion here. By Friday evening, you can see we're dry. Then Saturday, we're expecting some rain to move in during the day. So it's not going to be a total washout on Saturday. Saturday night, that round of rain moves out, and then look at this next system that's lining up to the west of us. This one comes in on Sunday. It hangs around for Monday too. So really late day Sunday into Monday right now looks like the best timing for rain that will be widespread around the area and that may impact your plans. Here's your Medina Country Club 7-day outlook. Temperatures staying on the mild side with all that rain and rumbly weather coming in. We'll be up around the 80-degree mark through the weekend. A little cooler for your Memorial Day holiday, and then behind that next system will be cool with 60s and then seeing improving conditions through next weekend.